welcome back to the channel again. And in this video today we are going to learn about React means React.js, and how to install, how to create a new React app and all these things. But before that, today is means while I am recording this video, it is 20 not 20, it's 31st night, 31st December of 2022, and is the last day of this year. So I want to wish you a very happy new year very early, means 2 hours early, because it's 10 p.m. right now over here. So I wish you a very happy new year, and along with that, let's start with the video. And we are going to learn how to work in React. So to learn React, you need to do one thing first, that is you have to have your VS Code, and then you need to install Node. What is Node? Node is, you have to go to web browser, search Node, and you need to go to Node.js and download it and install it. Download the 18.12 version. It is the most safest and reliable version. And then after doing that, you need to make a folder on the home screen, name it as Supernova, and open it with VS Code. We know that how to do it, and here is the VS Code. So we'll be opening the terminal at first, and we are in the Supernova directory. So to create a React app, I should tell you that React is a application based, means it's a web app, not a website, because it means, I will show you later. Let's first create the React app. For that, you need to write npx. Okay, npx is the part of Node, and I will be teaching you later on that Node video, which I will be doing in the next video or some days. So you need to write create React app. Okay, up to here it is clear. Go to the terminal, write npx, then write create React app, and give the name of the app as Axios. Axios is something else, I will teach you later. So let's press enter, and when we press enter, it is making a React app in our local system. So the advantage of using React is, like, React is a what I can say, I will show you. Wait, I should show you. So let me open YouTube, and you can see it's rolling over here, means it's loading, and let it load completely. It's loading. Yeah, it's loaded. Now just see this thing. I am going to click in a video, let's say this one. I'm clicking on the video, and you notice on that right hand side, on the left hand side corner. Okay, see, it's not loading. Just this one is loaded. This one has loaded. Sorry, I will be having copyright issues. So this one loaded, not this one. And if I go back, see, nothing over here. Okay, so this YouTube app is made up of what? React. So React has this kind of means React helps us like this, that it never reloads every time. Okay, every time you go here and there inside the app, inside the web, it will never reload again and again. So this is the main function of React. It is based on components. See, our React app is in process. It's making, let's give it some time. It's installing React DOM, React scripts, and many more things. So I think up to here your concepts are clear about React, and I should again say that React is not anything but a library of JavaScript. Clear? React is a library. Next.js is a library which is based on React, but it's above React. It helps you more. So let's wait until it's done. So guys, our React app installation is done, and we can see over here everything is in the boilerplate for you. So this is the source app. Here we have app.js. Okay, it's already done. Something is here. Then logo, index, and many things are there. So React actually makes a demo app for you guys, and every time we make a React app, we have this one. Okay, and this is the package, and where if we install any kind of packages dependencies, it will be installed over here, it will be shown over here. So as we know, when we used HTML and CSS, we used to go here and press go live to open the website in the browser. But in this case, we are not going to do that. We are instead going to do like npm start. What we will be writing, npm start and enter. But I will be facing an error. Just wait and watch. Yeah, error. This is the error that maximum of people face when they are very much new to React, because we are in the supernova directory. Clear? We are in the supernova directory. In that, inside supernova directory, we have Axios, and inside Axios we have installed the React app. So if we run the React app in supernova directory, it's not going to work. Okay, so for that reason we need to move inside Axios. So I will be write Axios cd. Axios cd means coming into the directory. Okay, now you can see we are inside Axios. Now if I press npm start, let's wait and watch. It's starting. Yeah, it's starting. Oh, I have a port running already in the 3000. Just wait a second. Let me turn it off. Would you like to run the app port instead? Yes. Yeah, it's got run, and your React app is here. Here. 3001. That's cool. Guys, the thing is that it actually runs on localhost 3000, but I have one app already running in my PC, that is in your localhost 3000, and this app, the second app, run in 3001. So this is your React app that we made, that is pre-built. Okay, so this is how we can launch React, and we can work on these, and here you can do your stuffs. You can start your React journey, which I should say you should not worry about that, because we are going to teach you that in the further classes. We are going to we are planning to have some React videos, some Next.js videos. So we are coming up with all those, and that's it for today, guys. I hope you understood all those things, and thank you for being with me for such a long time and understanding React. It will be helpful for you in your future, because React is the most trending language right now in web development. So guys, thank you, goodbye, and at last I should again say Happy New Year. Have a great year ahead. Bye.